I give you my heart.
Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Tina Bibbs TV. Welcome. Anyway, y'all, let me tell y'all. I forgot to tell y'all the other day. I'm riding on the bus, driving the bus, going down, I think, Pantherville Road or something like that. And I happened to look over to my right. It was a naked man walking, literally just walking. No socks, no nothing on, butt booty naked. I'm like, what in the world is going on here in Atlanta? Oh my God. Y'all need to do better, y'all. 'Cause I ain't from here. I live here, but I ain't from here. Anyway, y'all. Today, well, hey, forgot. Tina Bibbs TV. Tina Bibbs TV. You are watching Tina Bibbs TV. Okay. Anyway, y'all, okay, again. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button down there. Please give me a big thumbs up. Please leave me a comment and share. Okay, today I'm going to be doing a no talking, just eating. That is what I'm going to be doing today. I didn't, no subjects or nothing. Just that's why I just want to do this intro. I feel like my eyelash is coming up. Maybe it's not. I don't know. But cause it's like, you know how you look, and I can see it like in my vision, and I feel like it's not right. Cause this eye, I can't see that part of the lash, and it's irritating my soul right now. Oh, I don't like to see it. You know, I can see. Well, I can see this a little bit, but this one kind of going like that way, like y'all really care. But anyway, I'm just me, y'all. I'm just me. So stay tuned, and the second part of the video will be starting in a little bit. So hope you guys having a grand day. What are you guys up to today? What are you guys eating? Anything y'all want to talk about, let me know in my comment section, and we will have a discussion. We will talk about it in my next video. If y'all leave me a subject or something you want me to talk about, or something's going on in your life and you just want me to give you my advice, let me know in the comment section. I got your back, okay? And I also will have the coldest water bottle link in the description area, so you can get your own coldest water bottle, okay? And make sure you put Tina Bibbs TV. No, not TV. There's Tina Bibbs. Tina Bibbs, that's it. TINA BIBBS in the promo code area, and you will get shipping for free, because I got your back. All right, then. Talk to y'all later. See you in a minute. I like to end each video by saying that if you're thinking you're going through the most and you're really having a tough time in your life and you feel like you're the only one going through something, and not undermining what you're going through, but just know deep in your heart and your mind that somebody is going through something way worse. So this too shall pass. God will not put on us more than we can bear. So keep your head up, love and be loved, do the right things for the right reasons, and be kind on purpose, y'all. And know that Tina Bibbs TV loves you with all her heart, okay? All of it, the whole entire heart. All right, I love you guys, and be good, and stay tuned for the next video after, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I'm almost at 800 subscribers, and I gotta do something for that, because I'm excited. Y'all are hooking me up, yes. All right, love y'all. Mwah.
I gave you my heart.